Okay, so we're going to use the Keurig K Café to make some cappuccino. So we'll take our cup, put it here, take the lid, get the cup out, take the top off. You can see the whisk down in there. If you can see, we're going to fill it up to that mark there on the side. So here we go. So that's put in there. Put the lid on top. Stick it back in there. Turn it on. And we are going to hit the button right here that says cappuccino. Now on top, we're going to open up. So here we go. Pop one in. Now we're going to put it on cappuccino, and then we're going to press the button. And there it goes. And I just used some regular coffee. You push the button that says latte and cappuccino, it automatically brings it on for strong and shot. And then it just puts a little strong little shot of coffee in there. So that's ready. You take this off, add some sweetener to it. And that should be done here soon. It takes about 3 minutes or so. I think overall, a couple minutes or so to warm it up. And there it goes. So we'll take it off. Take the top off. It's nice and frothy. And we'll just pour it on in there. And there you go. And that's how it tastes. Here we go. Nice and frothy. Tastes good. There you go. How to use your Keurig K Cafe to make a cappuccino.